Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Check. And today, after a long time, we are going out together. And today, we are going to a place called Phoenix Mall. Of course, we have covered the place previously, but this time, after the pandemic, and now the whole Bangalore is opened up. So we drive down there and see this place. So welcome back to the video.
Thank you.
So we are getting to Phoenix Mall right now. So come on along with us. Currently the traffic, being a Sunday too, it's kind of busy. There's a lot of traffic on the road. Wow. Also we are stuck in a block, very surprising. This is as we are reaching KR Puram bridge. Sometimes it really gets tedious driving in Bangalore. In fact, Bangalore is the most stressful city for driving in a car. Finally we reached Phoenix Mall's parking slot and we're looking to park our car. But there's something new in this parking slots. Just watch. I guess there's a new innovation in this parking slot over here in Phoenix Mall. So whichever spot which has red lights on top, that shows the parking is full. Whereas if it's a green light, the parking is empty. This is a new innovation, kind of very interesting, and it also helps all of us. Also there is a slot, there is a board over there saying that how much parking is there in each slot because of the sensors. It's very convenient. This is the lights that I was talking about. It's all green. So this parking slot is green and there is no cars. There is the usual standard temperature checks once you enter into the mall. Now from the basement we have moved into the ground floor of the mall. Pretty crowded in here. Looks like the entire Bangalore is into the Phoenix Mall. There is a lovely festive spirit in the mall with all dresses and lights. It's superb. That's a new restaurant, Tata Cha. As soon as you enter, there's a lovely smell of baked cookies. Wow, lovely. The festive spirit can be seen all across this place. The smell of baked cookies really draws you to the shop. What an amazing smell that comes out of this cookie man shop. We're going directly to the food court. It's kind of a little hungry, so we thought of having a quick dinner before walking around the place. Wow, there's a lovely souvenir shop with all the laughing Buddhas. Very cute. I'll show you this shop called Mia. It's pretty good, nicely decorated. It looks very beautiful. They sell women's accessories like earrings, chains. It's a good collection. In fact, that shop called Mia, they give a 20% discount on the products of accessories, women's accessories, in case anybody is willing to buy. Well, I could say the festive spirit in Phoenix Mall is really electrifying. There's a lot of lights, a lot of sounds. It's kind of very interesting to walk around here. Wow, there's a little train for kids. Wow, this is a Fila store. I kind of like the stuff and the product over here. Wow. It's surprising to get an empty spot. A little empty corridor because people are just rushing through. By looking at the crowd over here in the mall, I'm sure there is in fact that this shows a clear sign that Corona is reducing in Bangalore and people are just outside shopping and coming back to their own lives. Now we are off to the food court, so let's check out the food over there. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the food court. Also in front of this restaurant called Bar and Grills. This is the name of the restaurant. Chicken wing sizzler. This is a grilled sizzler. This is a grilled chicken sizzler. This is the chicken wings sizzler and the nasi goreng sizzler. Well, one of our viewers had recommended nasi goreng sizzler, so I will try this sizzler out. I just want to check it out. Then we have the Szechuan garlic noodles, hakka noodles. Then crispy paneer sizzler. All this is the veg variety. And the veg Manchurian sizzler. This is the veg Manchurian. Nasi goreng sizzler.
Nasi goreng is a Malaysian food, sir. It's Malay spicy. You
Okay.
get boneless chicken and mixed vegetables, with noodles, rice, and egg on top, sir.
Okay, is it spicy?
No, it's Malay
Not spicy.
Chicken nasi and seafood nasi.
Seafood nasi. Chicken nasi? Chicken nasi. We'll have a chicken nasi.
You can build it there, sir.
Yeah, sure. Wow, there's already. What is this sizzler?
It's an exotic vegetable. Exotic vegetable soup.
Oh, exotic. It's a vegetarian thing. Perfect. So I'll take a nasi goreng sizzler. So this is the buzzer that they give, and this lets me know when the order comes, huh?
Sure.
Okay, superb.
We'll vibrate someone, so what is it?
Superb, superb. So as we patiently wait for a nasi goreng sizzler, I just want to try this. There's a lot of hype over this, so I wanted to check it out. What is this sizzler? And we are having it with noodles as well as we are having it with chicken. So I want to taste and see this. So we have bought the sizzlers from Bao and Grills, and the cost for chicken nasi goreng sizzler with noodles is 408 rupees, along with the coke is 52. So totally the bill came to 461 rupees. So we're waiting for the buzzer to beep so that we can go. We know that our sizzlers are ready. Our sizzlers are now ready. We got a beep with this telecommunication device. So let's go and collect our sizzler. Thank you. Wow, this is the chicken nasi goreng sizzler. It has egg. Then it's having noodles with chicken and French fries. Wow, and so let's taste our nasi goreng sizzler. Let's mix it up. Wow, it's pretty hot. Immediately what tastes in the mouth is, what comes into the mouth is a taste of capsicum, then sauces mixed. It's a lovely flavor, it gives out a lovely flavor. Also it's a little smoke because of the sizzler. It's a little, that smoke smell comes out, the taste actually. Really nice, really nice. Let's dig a little some more. They have carrot also in this. Then with the noodles. Very yummy. The flavor is not very spicy, but with the crunchy taste of this carrots, they have added carrots, they have added yellow capsicum and mixed together. It gives a very good taste in your mouth. It's very nice. Do try this sizzler at home in this restaurant when you come to visit Phoenix Mall. I cannot eat this right away, but I'm just tasting the bits and pieces of this food. The chicken, let's taste and see how is it. It's nicely flavored with masalas and all. Chicken is nicely cooked along with the potatoes, especially the fried potatoes, as well as the chicken is nicely cooked. Very tasty. Nicely made and well cooked. Also when you eat the chicken, you feel the flavor because they marinated the chicken. The flavor of this comes into your mouth once you chew it. Very tasty it is. We have a great time over here. That's the nasi goreng. It's super filling, very tasty food. Now we're just going around the Phoenix shopping mall. I kind of like this chandelier. This is right at the entrance of this Phoenix Mall. We are right in front of Phoenix Mall. And we are greeted with this lovely waterfall over here. And the lovely lights. So right at the entrance of Phoenix Mall. And this is the lights. Really a beautiful experience coming here. On the right hand side we have a couple of stalls. So let's check the stalls out. In fact, there's not much of crowd because I guess because of the festive season. So let's get into this place. Stalls over here. There's a lot of grow bags. This is the stall for seeds. A lot of lovely keychains. It's really colorful. Wow, this is a lovely stall with a lot of artifacts. I like to see these stalls. A lot of little dolls of all characters. Batman and Groot. That's Groot over there. Really nice, no? Lovely bronze. I really want to try out this special matka rabri. It's kind of tasty. Matka rabri? Yeah. So, how much is it? 70 rupees. Please, I'll don't mind again. Wow, this is a matka kulfi? The matka rabri. Well, this is a matka rabri. So, let's go and taste it. So, this is a matka rabri. Let's taste it. It's the cream or the malai which gives it a distinct flavor. It's a lovely taste. Also it is nice and it's not much sweet, I could say. But it's the cream as well as the taste of milk gives a very distinct taste and very flavorful too. I think it's made with elachi, they have added elachi. If anybody knows about this, just let me know. What is the ingredients they use to make this dish? It's super tasty. State it is, but rabri I think it's from Calcutta, but it's very tasty, but it's not very sweet though. Well, walking in this Phoenix Mall, ultimately you should wear your mask. There's a lot of crowd over here and also people are heading home now. It's shutting time. It's kind of very nice feeling to walk around here over the weekend. But overall if you see, there's not much of crowd inside the stores. Maybe people are a little hesitant still in coming out. But anyways, whatever the corona or no corona, this does not dampen the festive spirit. Wow. Place is beautifully lit up. In fact, this is a metro station which is coming over here. So it's kind of easy for people. So they don't have to drive the cars and they don't have to go to traffic too. So this is also the entrance which is on the main road. Wow, it's beautifully lit. This is Phoenix Mall for you. Well, we hope you liked watching our video and we request you to like, share and comment on our channel. If you want us to try out new recipes or to try out new food, please let us know in the comment section below. Today I'm thankful for the viewer who suggested to have nasi goreng food, which is an Indonesian food. I'm thankful to him. It was superb. I enjoyed it. If you have any other food in mind for us to try it out, do let us know in the comments. We are just learning to see Bangalore, taste the cuisine. It was an amazing experience today. As we walked to the parking lot, we came across the music piano on the ground floor. So we wanted to show you the lights as well as the piano. It's very nice to see. I feel there's an offer in Phoenix Market City that how many hours you park your car, they're going to charge you just 70 rupees. I think it's the best time to make use of this offer. Well, hello there. We had just come home after a long drive. It was a bit far. We enjoyed our time in Phoenix Market City. It was a lovely festive spirit, the lovely lights, the lovely food, I just can't tell anything more. Had a good time. Like I could say, the parking fees was reduced in the mall to entice customers to come there. So if you liked our video, please share it with your friends. Please subscribe to our channel. Well, until the next video, take care, stay safe, and see you soon. And see you next week at 11 a.m. Bye bye.